Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to change your personal capital account password. If you don't have a personal capital account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Sign In. Now, enter your email. Then click on Continue. Next, enter your password, then click on Sign In. Once you're signed in, you will see drop-down arrow beside your name located at the top right side of the screen. Click on drop-down arrow. Here, you will see a section for password. Beside your current password, is an Edit button. Click on Edit. Now, enter your current password on the first field. On the second field, enter the new password you wish to use. Then retype new password on the third field. After entering, click on Save Changes. That's how you change your personal capital account password. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.